It all started when I got my S21 Ultra, and if you watched my previous video, you know that I was really happy when I got this phone. Package arrived and I made emotional unboxing video.
How much I'm happy.
Just damn view. But it doesn't matter. That same day I made my first video with S21 Ultra. I was in my garage, took my equipment, but all my mics are with 3.5mm jack. I made video that night.
Make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe, because it's really cool here and I don't want to do this alone. I want to share with you.
And if you watched that video, I believe you skipped it, not because of content, because of mic quality. I mean, that video was good, not too much, but it was interesting. I opened 40-year-old hard drive.
Today we're gonna open this 40-year-old hard drive. I'm so excited.
And yes, you heard that?
Because it's really cool here and I don't want to do.
That was my internal mic from S21 Ultra. So bad. That same day I ordered USB-C to 3.5mm adapter so I can use my mics. That thing came, I tried with external mic, but it was worse. I thought cheap version, so let's buy another cheap version. I got that wireless mic, but it was same. Buzzing noise was so annoying. After that, I ordered another USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. And you know what? I sent them back. I tried to do something with apps, but nothing. So painful. I paid €1,200 for something and I can't use that on my way. I mean, my previous Samsung A70 was working with my all mics without any problem. I called Samsung and they told me this: buy original Samsung USB-C to 3.5mm adapter and everything is gonna be okay. I said, okay. I bought the thing and I said, if this doesn't work, I will sell my phone and I'm gonna kill myself! Package arrived, but you know, it was really good day. I don't want to be bored again, so I made a decision to try it tomorrow.
1 week later.
And finally, after 1 week, I said, let's try it. That day is today. So how it sounds? Can you hear me? Good, well, bad? Write in the comments down below. I just want to say that is not, I don't know, high quality mic or something like that expensive. That's just €30 and €10 this USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. So I recommend you buy this thing. Don't waste your time, don't waste your money from Amazon buying stupid another things. Just buy original, it costs €10 and everything is gonna be okay. And yes, of course, we are now at 65 subscribers. So if it's not a problem, just click on the subscribe button. That means a lot to me. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.